The BMW X1 has been an important model for BMW India in terms of sales and reach. It is the stepping stone to BMW's SUV range in India and currently is in its second generation. In a bid to keep the interest alive and to fend off competition from the likes of the Volvo XC40, Audi Q3, and even the soon to be launched second generation Mercedes-Benz GLA, the X1 receives mild updates for 2020.
Alright, so this is the BMW X1 facelift for 2020. Now this is still the second generation model. It's not a generation change, but it gets a fair few updates, and the biggest update cosmetically is to the front end. As you could probably see, the size of the kidney grills, it has changed, it's become bigger. There's more chrome in there, and which is kind of in your face, not so much, but just about right. And apart from that, the front bumper, it's completely new, much more angular, much more aggressive, premium to look at. And finally, the headlamp cluster is being completely redesigned. The mount stays the same, but the internals is completely new. The brackets for the LED projector lamps, they are new as well, and the DRLs, they are now angular and not roundish. So overall, the front end looks much better now. And apart from that, the tail lamps at the rear, they also get slight change, slight tweak.
That's about it as far as changes to the exterior are concerned. Yes, the facelift is rather mild, and the story stays the same in terms of engine and powertrain too.
The X1 facelift continues to get the same 2-liter petrol and diesel engines. Of course, they are BS6 compliant now, and the one we are driving, this model, it has the petrol engine. The power output, it also stays the same more or less, and as far as refinement levels are concerned, this feels a touch more refined because of the BS6 compliance. Apart from that, the driving dynamics, they stay the same because there's not been much change in the engine or the powertrain. The gearbox also stays the same. But what we have noticed is that the car, it gets a slightly plusher ride quality compared to the BS4 model. And as far as driving dynamics are concerned, yes, this is the same model. Everything stays the same. The handling, the ride quality, as we told you, has become slightly better. But more or less, the driving dynamics, they stay the same.
The 2-liter twin-turbo petrol motor makes 190 brake horsepower at 5000 rpm and has peak torque output of 280 Newton meters, coming in between 1350 and 2600 rpm. The engine is paired to a 7-speed automatic unit which offers crisp shifts and is smooth too. The engine pulls cleanly at lower revs, but it feels happiest between 3000 and 4000 rpm. It continues to be a good vehicle for pottering about in town and is the best handling machine in its segment. The steering retains its responsiveness, and in this age of electric power steering, the unit on the X1 is still weighted nicely and offers good feedback. After all, it is a BMW and is a driver's car.
So the overall design and the layout of the cabin of the X1 facelift, it stays the same. The feel, the fit and finish stays the same, but for two big changes. The first one is this. It is the new 8.8-inch touchscreen iDrive infotainment system, and it feels much more premium, and it offers you a lot more in terms of connectivity. You can pair your Apple phone with the car. This doesn't get Android Auto, it only gets Apple CarPlay. And the second big change is this, the panoramic sunroof. So in case you want some more light inside the cabin, or if you want to feel the wind in your hair, that's the way to go.
The BMW X1 facelift gets incremental changes to the design and now gets the iDrive infotainment system along with BS6 compliant petrol and diesel engines. It is still the most spacious SUV in its segment, and with the addition of the iDrive system and a sunroof, it comes quite close to the Volvo XC40 in terms of being a feature-laden premium compact SUV. And the fact that it continues to be the most entertaining car to drive in its segment means that the desirability quotient does go up by a few notches, in typical BMW fashion.